channel. I'm back again with my another single product review. So today my product review is on a hair product which I have past 2 months back I have ordered, and the product name is, this is the product Enzo in solution in salon treatment. Enzo leaves your smooth and youthful, healthy and beautiful. Make your hair more smooth, best for your hair beauty, and can save in the world. Can save in the world. What do you mean by that? This is the product. And can save in the world. I don't know why it is written. What they want to save? They want to save all the hairs now. All the hair fall they want to save. That's why they've written in such a funny content. But still the product is Enzo in salon treatment. Now moving on to the packaging, first I had ordered it from Amazon and I received it in a very bad condition, and later on when I wanted to return it, then I forgot to see that it was not returnable product. The content of the product had literally fallen into the whole packet, and I had to take it off, put it inside, take off the hair mask. I think it's a hair mask or a hair spa, I don't know what it is. I'm using it as a hair mask. Yeah, I'm using a hair mask as well as a conditioner. If I want to use it as a mask, I apply it for longer duration. If I want to use it as a conditioner, I apply for almost 5 to 10 minutes. So moving on to the condition, when I received in a very bad condition. It was broken. I don't know how the packaging of the product is. It has still the mask on top of it. I don't know the manufacturing of this tin is bad, or I don't know what was that, but if I want to order it next time, I will rethink before ordering whether I should or I should not. So moving on to the tin, moving on to the product, it retailed for 399 rupees for 1000 ml. Now what does it say? Natural hair care. This product contains wealth of activity of wheat protein, solid color factor, while in the solid shampoo hair color, hair add to the necessary nutrition, effectively moisten the hair fiber, and can form an effective protective film to protect the hair, color lasting, glossy and effective repair, and makes the hair soft, shiny and good elasticity, easy to comb. Yeah, definitely I have used it for 2 months. It is easy to comb your hair. Elasticity, I don't know about the elasticity, I haven't noticed, but one thing I found that my hair has been drying a lot. See my hair, they have dried after using this product. I don't know why. While compared to the L'Oreal Extenso spa shampoo, Scotch of Spa, all these had really moisturized my hair. They used to work as a moisturizer, and I don't know why this. It was a first time order, and I don't think so I'll be ordering it again the next time. See the condition of my hair. I have recently hair washed, applied it, and I have dried, and see the dryness of my hair. Dryness of my hair. I didn't like it too much, but yeah, you can use it if you want a cheap product, a hair mask or a hair conditioner at a cheaper price, and a large volume or a container for hair mask or a long lasting one. You can use this, but it doesn't. The result of this product is not too satisfying according to me. And what else? Let's find out what else it says. It improves the hair quality. You can see my hair quality, how it has become. Everything is in front of you. Quality, it brightens, smoothens and moisturizes the hair. I don't know how it brightens the hair. It didn't glossify my hair a lot. It didn't brighten that blackishness into my hair, and it didn't moisturize. In fact, it dried my skin. It enhances and prevents the premature hair aging. My hair is already started aging a few bit. I don't think so it has prevented. Protects the hair, conditions the hair root and hair follicle. I don't know what is hair follicle. Conditions the hair root. I don't know how it conditions. Yeah, but like if you this product is basically, it works like if you hair wash, do your hair wash, and that great when your hair gets tangled enough while washing, and you want that it basically removes that tough tangles or that toughness, or you can't comb, then it only helps in removing that tangles from your hair, but it doesn't work as a conditioner, didn't work as a spa, didn't brought glossiness into my skin. And aging I can't say because my hair started aging, so I can't say anything about that. And it has dried my skin, my hair didn't moisturize. You can see the example from my hair itself. What else to say? So this was passion for hair. It says natural hair care, passion for hair. See the passion. You can see how it passioned my hair. I'm not criticizing, but directly I'm saying you by a live example. And now opening and coming onto the packaging, it twists and it opens. Now the container I really like from inside because it has a very vast container. If you have finished the product, you can use it for storing your grocery items like salt and sugar. I think that also. So it's a plus point. You can use that container for those things. But I don't think so. It's an airtight container to store your dal, masoor and chawal and all. You can store your sugar and all. I'll do that after a few days of finishing this. So here's the product. Product is white in color and the texture is, see, very loose, not at all thick, very loose. If I show it more deeply, I think I'll fall some of the contents. Can you see? The product is very loose. Most of the hair mask or a conditioner are very tight, and I usually like the tight conditioner or very thick sort of conditioner. And this is like, it says it's a mask, it's a treatment. If it was so a treatment, then why so loose? I don't know why. When I apply to my wet hair, it falls off. It falls off like water. You can see how to show it on my hand. See. Let me show you very well. This is the product. It is not at all thick. It is very loose, very loose. It's like once and last time product from using this product. I'm never going to buy it. But yeah, those who liked it can do a second purchase, third purchase, whatever, how many number of purchase you want. So this was all for the product review. You can see it. I'm still using it. I'm waiting for this product to finish. I'm not going to buy another hair mask or a conditioner until I finished it up. No wasting money on buying number of products. Hair product only once. Let this finish. I'll buy another new one and I'll do a product review of that too. So this was all for the Enzo in salon treatment. And I'll meet you next time with another YouTube vlog.